Tandaan po natin, yung conviction ng Holy Spirit nandyan na po sa'yo. Kino-convict ka ng isyaran yung tao. Nag-iisa lang siya, nakaupo, walang ginagawa. And then yung conviction, nararamdaman mo yan eh. And then, sabi mo, teka lang, kukuha na ako ng timing. Hindi po darating yung timing na yan kung wala kang ginagawa. Puntahan mo, isolwin mo. Come on, people. Alam niyo po, kung kumukuha ka ng timing, eventually aalis yan, may gagawin yan.
Oo, tama yun.
Let's not wait for the opportunity, let's grab the opportunity. And perhaps, one of the greatest regrets in eternity will be realizing napakaraming opportunities na dumaan sa buhay natin. But we wasted all of it. We wasted all of it while living for ourselves. Alam po, sobrang sakit that one day we stand before Christ and then naririnig mo yung mga kaibigan mo, di ba sabi sa book of Ezekiel, their blood, iiyak sa'yo. Ang dami pong opportunities na sinayang po natin. Come on people, let's not waste those wasted years. Ang dami na po. Ang dami na nating sinayang na taon. But eventually, it's change. Wala pong huli. Di ba po, habang may buhay, may pag-asa. Habang may buhay po, pwede po tayong magbago.